Today we are making a refreshing matcha lime granita. Light, icy and bursting with flavor. The perfect summer treat made with just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. Start by combining sugar and water in the saucepan. Bring it to a gentle boil, stirring until the sugar is fully dissolved. Once ready, add in the matcha powder, mix until smooth, then remove from the heat. Strain the mixture if needed. Now add in the lime and mix. Pour it into a chill pan and place it in the freezer. Every 15 minutes, whisk the mixture to break up the ice crystals until it takes on a light, fluffy, crushed ice texture. Serve in a container of your choosing. Enjoy!